At General Finishes, we've converted all of our guns to the 3M PPS system to reduce finish waste, make cleanup easier, and to spray from any angle. Several companies make similar systems to replace the standard metal cups. Other brands shown in this video are General Finishes recommendations, not paid sponsorships. It comes in multiple cup sizes, disposable liners, lids with a built-in filter, and a collar. Here's how to adapt the PPS system to your gun. First, you'll need the adapter to fit your gun, which is sold separately. So I'm just going to unscrew the gun from the metal can and then attach my adapter. Screw that on, tighten it down. Now, to assemble, I'm going to take my cup, my disposable liner, the lid with the filter. That snaps in place. My collar, tighten that down, and then the gun snaps in place, and I'm just going to connect my air pressure hose to pressurize the cup, and there you go. When in use, air pressure collapses the liner and forces the finish through the gun, so you can spray at any angle. And when you're done, you can pull the liner and cap it off and save the finish for your next coat for up to 24 hours. Be sure to label the liner with the product name and the date. Cleanup is fast and easy with no metal cup to rinse, and you can quickly switch between finishes in a matter of minutes. Make spraying General Finishes products easier with the 3M PPS system. General Finishes is dedicated to using the highest quality ingredients in all our products, while testing and advancing our water-based finishes with leading-edge technology. Compare GF primers, pigmented finishes, stains, and top coats at generalfinishes.com. Then visit our Where to Buy page to find a retailer near you. General Finishes, we make tomorrow's finishes today.